Hello friend, I'm Sirajul Islam and you watching FMS Trip YouTube channel. Dear friend, today I'm suffering from cold, so no problem. Today video is very important. That's why I'm willing to make the video today. Dear friend, this is the best how you can fix the error. So if you have already downloaded this theme like traveler theme, the traveler booking WordPress theme, okay, so if you have already downloaded it and you are working on the WordPress theme, but it is in starting like you will face this error on your website, okay. So if you go to the Shine, so this is the Shine come support system. If you go to the support system of the theme, they have also given the solution for how you can fix it. But sometime someone you know, some people, some the beginner who don't like how you can do that. In this video I'll teach you step by step using the file manager, okay. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request all of my new viewer who come in my channel first time that please subscribe my channel. So first of all we need to go to the file manager, okay. Go to the file manager. I'm using a SiteGround, so you need to go to your file manager and choose your website theme. Go to the file manager. Let's open it now. Now what we need to do, that we just need to copy and we need to paste. We need to paste in. When you do insert in WP-CONFIG, okay, we find this the file in file manager and we just need to copy and paste over there, and the error will going to fix it, okay. So let's do that. Just copy it, copied, okay. Now go to the file manager, okay. So go to the public, okay. Now we need to find this WP, this is okay, this one only to just copy. We have just copied and we need to paste over here. As you can see, db collect, okay. You need to enter and make a space and you can paste it, okay. So after that you can save it, okay. Now the file has been saved. If you go to our WordPress dashboard, as you can see the error is coming. Now we are going to refresh the page, okay. So now the error has been gone, okay. So friend, as you can see the whole process to hide the error, okay. And I think that you already got the facts, and now I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much friend.